Hello guys, this is Hard Reset and your Evernote note syncing. If notes aren't saving, syncing issues or attachments not loading, try this. First of all, when you open Evernote and you already logged in, try to restart. Just like this. The next one, you need to check the permissions. Try to add some if it's needed. The next one is try to reinstall the Evernote, uninstall, and install it again. Just like this. The next option is to check your internet connection, if it's good. Here you go. As you can see, mine internet is so good, so there shouldn't be any issue with Evernote. But if you still have some issues, try to reboot your phone and turn it on again, and it should help you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.